Today I'm going to be reviewing the AODSK electronic drum set. Here is the box. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to put this together and then we're going to go check it out. Here's the AODSK drum set put together. It was not a fast thing, but it wasn't horrible. Fairly simple. You get the 5A drumsticks here. You get headphones. I didn't even realize that you did get headphones with this. One issue though is when they're plugged in, you'll see that the cord will come out where you're drumming. So I found that to be not really useful for me. I would need headphones with a longer cord that I have them come around the drum set and behind me to stay out of the way of my drumming. You get the hi-hat, you got the snare, the 3 toms, you ride in your crash, you get the 2 pedals, those are on the ground. What's nice with the control, you can see there's actually an area that you can put your phone up there, and you've got lots of options, 260 sounds, 30 kits, 20 songs. The seat is actually really solid. It does wobble a little bit, but the actual parts to it are solid. It's a very comfortable seat. I've got a pork pie, which is like a $250 drum seat, and this was very comfortable, especially since it comes with the set. Let's see what this thing can do. On this, if you're playing it, you can, well, yeah. So it has a stop right there, same here. And then on the hi-hat, you got the foot pedal. Pretty good response on the snare drum. Same on the tom, so everything sounds good. All the different choices here, you got different drum sounds. So toms will start sounding different. And they all change, but lots of choices. Also, we've got songs on here, so if you want to do songs, we got different songs on here. All different ones that you can play against. They all have a little drums. We'll go try the bass on here, do a little bit with that. Let's go ahead and try that. All right, here we go. All right, so definitely have a lot of options on playing the drums. I'm not an expert here. The only thing that I didn't really like as much is the response on the hi-hat. Not terrible, and it'll be good for practice. Just not as good as the toms. The drums really have a good bounce on the mesh heads, which I think are the best, especially. They're so quiet. Nobody's gonna really hear it unless you're hitting on the rims. Overall, I'm really impressed with this drum set. This does really well on Amazon. Not only is it an Amazon choice, it gets 4.4 stars and it's got 373 reviews. In addition to that, last month, over 1,000 plus of these were sold. So people like them, people are keeping them. You know, if you're looking for a drum set for you or for your kid, you're trying, you want to practice and see if you like it, this is such a good deal. I'd say start off with something like this and you can expand from there. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.